My name is Stephanie Saylor, and this is a visual phasing workshop. In this segment, we'll discuss how to insert a text box into your visual phasing project. First, in the top of your screen, you'll see different words: file, home, insert, draw, design, transitions. These open different toolbars or give you different functions. And what you'll need to do first is click the Insert button to open the Insert toolbar. Once it is, scroll to the right-hand side and click Text Box. Once you do that, your mouse will become this upside-down T, and you can click and drag it just the same as when you insert a box shape. You click, drag to the side and down, and release. Now, however big you go down to make your box long, it's going to shrink right back down to the size as if you just had a single line, and then it will expand based on how much you write in it. So don't worry, this just sets the width of your text box. Now, before you do anything else, once you release that click, you need to click inside the text box and write whatever you want to write. Because if you click outside your text box, it will no longer be selected, and text boxes are generally not set to stand out, and so then your text box would disappear into your background if you clicked outside of it somewhere.